So many of you must already started using this new student dashboard. Okay, I'm getting many feedbacks from all of you. So I thought to present personally in this engagement webinar and to demonstrate you how this new student dashboard looks like. What are the new additions we have done? How you can better use this entire dashboard. Okay. So as you can see, once you open this dashboard, first look and feel is entirely changed. It's much simple to use. For every single thing, there's a proper segment where you can access the entire information. Okay, so I'm going to start from the top. So here you can see this is the first segment of the student dashboard where you can access all the reports. Here you can find the button career reports, and once you click on the career reports, then we are having three versions of the report, right? Suitability report, comprehensive report, and comprehensive report with execution plan. So all the three reports can be accessed, okay, from the dashboard itself. That's the report segment. And if student want to do a different assessment, then there is an option over here, other assessments. From here itself, assessments can be administered. So student can land to the student dashboard, and from here itself, assessment can be administered. Then right hand side, you can find over here where we have connected counselors WhatsApp, counselors call us, and the mail us, so that easily student can either WhatsApp to the counselor, call to the counselor, or mail to the counselor. So again, these three functionalities are completely up to the counselor, whether they want to integrate only the WhatsApp, they want to integrate WhatsApp, call, or mail functionality, or only the mail functionality. So in the second segment, it's very easy for the candidate to connect to the counselor. Now, when I scroll down the page, now these are called the milestones. So we have put across various milestones in this student dashboard. So first is the career report. Second is the career shortlisting that obviously counselors will do it off. Counseling by the expert. And then if I scroll down below, you can find colleges information, right? Again, colleges information, this time we have bifurcated in two segments. One is the India colleges and second is the abroad colleges. See, trust me, friends, India colleges, we are having now huge depository of the colleges. If I say including India and international colleges, recently day in, day out, we have worked really hard to pull the information of all the Indian colleges as well as the international colleges. And currently we are having information of more than 8 lakhs. Yes, more than 8 lakhs India and abroad colleges information available in the platform. This was a huge data to manage and update internally, and we took this challenge to make sure every single college information, whether it's India college or international college, should be available in our platform. And this is a massive activity we have done of pulling out the information of more than 8 lakhs plus courses in our platform. So here, this is the India colleges, and once I click here, the start now for India colleges, then the platform will open up. Now here you can see the look and feel of this entire interface is very simple to use it off, and many filters we have given for the counselors or for the student to search around. Now here you can find the multiple options upside, like course names. So courses can be searched in the platform. If student is very particular about the college, then college name can be searched, country, city. So all these things are available. And how we have done is we have made it based on the AI. We have made it very simple. If any course I want to search it, say for example, I am looking for any management course or any, say, let's take a psychology course, any psychology course in India, okay, or any other place, okay. That's it. If I'm particular about a location, I can write the location. Otherwise, I'll click on the button search. Then automatically information will come, and then the other filters are available. If I'm looking for only for the UG degree, UG diploma, PG degree, PG diploma, whatever category I want to see, I just need to press over here like a UG degree and apply filters. So once I do this thing, immediately you can see Delhi University, SRME, Jamia Millia. So all that college information are available over here. And many information you can find here, like university name, course name, location, city, the duration, the total fees of this particular kind of a course. We also have pulled out the number of seats. So for this, like St. Xavier, if you want to do BA honors in psychology, only 12 seats are available. So number of seats available, what's the ranking, all these things, fees information, all these things are available within the platform. Then if there's any entrance test is there, like for the Christ University, there's entrance test. So entrance test information is available. You can see 2024, when is the examination. So here you can see the last date to apply. All this information you can see over here. 2023 examination. So you can find here when is the examination held. So all the information of the exam, rankings, UG degree, diploma, all this information are available. So you can filter based on the course name. If you are very particular about any university, I'll just reset all the filters. College name, say for example, I am looking for the IIM. Okay, I'll just write over here IIM. It will show me the entire list over here and it will filter among the IIM. Or under IIM, if I'm looking for the management, so you can try multiple permutation and combination and you can filter. Now here, two things you need to understand. What we have done is, because now here in this dashboard, we are working with a huge data. So when I'm talking about the data, it's literally more than 8 lakhs data is there, right? So here, this entire platform work based on the keywords, okay? Say for example, the course name. See, don't write the course name in this way like BSc in this one, because when you are writing this thing, then among the 8 lakh courses in a depository, it will look at exactly the same words. Rather than that, you can use the keywords. If you are looking for anything on the data science, you can just write the word data or data science, right? And just press the filter. It will give you immediately the results like all the data science related kind of a thing, instead of writing the lengthy names, right? Because we are unable to do the categorization because of 8 lakhs data. So it will search of the data oriented courses among all our 8 lakhs kind of a depository. If you're looking for data related courses, say for example in Bangalore, then just write the Bangalore over here, Bangalore, Karnataka, and press on the filter. So it will search like Indian Institute of Science is offering, IIM is offering business data analytics and all the courses. Very quickly it will search. So many counselors, they approached me how to use this search. Again, I am repeating, for the course name, okay, you need to use the keywords only instead of writing lengthy names, okay, like data, or say if you are looking for something like business management, right? Business management, administration, global business, use the course name over here, right? And you can type the locations over here. Next thing is, here in the filters, there are a lot of filters are available. I'll just reset and show to you. Say I'm looking for psychology related. Say for an example, I have written psychology over here. Show me all the psychology related courses in India that's having the ranking between 0 to 100. Press 0 to 100. So this ranking based filter is also available, and just press apply. Okay, so you will immediately come across, now you're looking only for the UG, just select for the UG and press apply filters. As simple as that. Delhi University, and then Jamia Millia, and Banaras BHU, St. Xavier, University of Madras, Jamia Hamdard, University of Mumbai, Christ University. So here the entire information will start coming over here. It's very simple to use it off, and you can use in this way from here. One more thing, if you want the more information about this particular course, here there is an option called more details. Just click on more details and click over here the first link. Straight away it will take you that university page of that particular course where you can fetch more and more information. So based on the Google integration we have done over here, so that we don't need to keep on changing the links, and it will be the real-time links you can see over here, right? Now here we have given one more option, that's for the college prediction. If you want to know how much chances you are having to get into the particular college, simple, click on the college prediction, complete this assessment. One assessment will come. You just need to complete one assessment. You need to mention your marks and other stuff, and automatically you will find across all the colleges, prediction will come how much chances you are having to get into this particular college. So we have also introduced the college prediction in a much better way. Okay, where the complete admission chances also system will calculate based on AI and will indicate how much chances you are having to get into particular college, right? You can filter based on the fees, you can filter based on the ranking, you can filter based on the course, college name, country, location, based on the education level, and based on the prediction, right? So, and whatever colleges you want to shortlist, just press the button over here, shortlist, right? So candidate can shortlist the colleges from here, and all these colleges will be documented in the milestone report that I'll show in a while. Now, this is about the India colleges. The same process goes for the international colleges. So we are having a data of more than 22 plus countries across the globe. We have pulled out the data and loaded over here. That's called the abroad colleges. Now, once I click on the abroad colleges, right, same interface, you'll find it. Say I'm looking for course related to the data, and I am particularly looking for UK. Just for an example, just select the UK over here and press filter. So you will find all the colleges and everything you will find over here, the information. So here, a lot of information you will find here. One accurate fees. You will find what the fees of this particular college if you want to study, data related courses. Say for example, in University of Edinburgh. So MSc Data Science. This will be the course fees. This will be the duration. Okay. You can find the intake. So when is the intake? September is the intake. You will find the ranking of this particular college. And once you click on the ranking, you will find the two rankings. One is the international ranking. So QA ranking is coming 16 and THE ranking is coming 30 of this particular university. So you will get the entire ranking. You will get the intake. You will get the duration. You will get the fees. You will get how much IELTS score is required to get admission in this particular college. You need more information, just click on the college details. Interface will open or extend further. It will show you the entire other details. What's the living cost, how much part-time job student can do, how much PSW student will get, what's the climate, what are the major cities over here, the list of documents, what the documents are required if student want to apply to this particular college. The complete list will be available over here, right? You'll also find the prediction over here. So once student do the profiling, only one time profiling is required. Complete prediction will come, how much chances student is having, and this will go quite accurate kind of a prediction based on the AI and the historical data. We have completely changed the predictive index. So here you will find the score once the profiling is done. For international colleges, we have introduced many filters. Apart from the course name, college name, country name, location, apart from that, there are a lot of filters are available. You can filter based on UG degree diploma certificate, PG degree diploma certificate, vocational. Apart from that, based on the IELTS score, you can filter those students who have, say for example, there's a candidate who scored only 6 IELTS. You can click on the 6. Okay, you can filter based on the intake, right? So if a student is very particular on the September intake, just select the intake, select the IELTS, right? You can filter based on the ranking. Say, for example, I'm looking for a September intake. I got 6 IELTS. I'm looking for 100 to 300 ranking kind of a colleges. And this is my budget. And I'm looking for UG diploma and I'm looking for this country. So once you apply all these filters, then automatically you'll get the entire data available. Hardly there is any college that's missed out across 22 plus countries. We are having a huge depository of colleges available in the platform for the international colleges, and many filters we have loaded. Based on these filters, candidate can shortlist. And interface is ultra simple. College information, list of documents, all the information will be available. Student can filter based on the multiple countries also, multiple rankings also, multiple IELTS scores also, and can just press the button shortlist. All this data is updated data because this data we have just completed around 2 weeks back. Okay, the last update we have done 2 weeks back. So this is highly accurate data that you will find in the platform. So we are doing these updations in every 5 months. So last updation we have done just last week. So for India colleges or international colleges, this is the latest data available as of now. Now, this is about the international colleges. Then comes on the exams interface where student can see the information about, Indian and international exams. All this information are available in the platform. I'll not go in the detailing. So that's available. Career library, all this career library. So in this career library, you can find the information about different career paths. I can just click on any particular career path and information will be populated where I can access the entire information over here. So India colleges, international colleges, exams, library, all this information are available. Career boosters, many of you already knows what is these career boosters all about, where we have also introduced about international accommodations information. Say for example, if student or candidate is looking for any hostels globally, he just need to click on interested, where panel will open up, right? I can write any place, say for example, Sydney, London, or any particular place. So it will populate all the hostels available over here. Okay. I can click the hostel over here. Say for example, this is a hostel. So I can see the entire information, the pictures of the hostels, right? The videos are available. The real videos are available about that hostels that I can see over here. All the pictures. Then if I scroll down below, let me click back to the overview. If I want to see the bedroom pictures, exteriors, amenities, common area, so all these are segmented over here. I can access all this information. Okay, how the playroom looks like, 3D reception, and all these things. Now here there's one more advanced thing is available. If I scroll down, just allow me a couple of seconds. Okay, let me click again so that I'll show you that functionality. So if I scroll down on this page, right? So let it load. Okay, this is the place. So if I want to see the distance of this hostel from my campus, I can select from here the campus, say University of Sydney. I'll just click over here. So it will show how far is this hostel from my campus. So it's a 10 minutes away from my hostel. So mostly for every campus, there are separate hostels are there, right? So all this information can be accessed from the boosters. Not only this information, let me quickly go back. Okay, we are also having the virtual internship that I'll show you in a while. Apart from that, multiple other things are available as a part of the career boosters. When I scroll down further, then we are having the online courses available free of cost for the candidates. And trust me, we are also working to introduce new courses that you will find by the end of this month. All these courses are absolutely free of cost, available, integrated, and available as a part of the student dashboard, where they can learn the Excel, graphical designing, and how to handle the stress, how to score high in the exam. Some popular videos, in-house created videos, you can find as a part of the platform itself. We also have introduced the information about scholarships, whether it's a domestic scholarships or international scholarships. Both the information are available now as a part of the platform. So here you can find the government scholarships, and when I scroll down further, you can find the private scholarships, and all these scholarships information, or if candidate want to apply from the portal itself, candidate can apply. It will direct to the respective link over there. And from there, candidate can apply for these scholarships. So that scholarships information are available over here. Now, moving to the next point, that's again very important for the profile building, right? So for profile building, what are the different ways are there? So one of the popular way is virtual internship. So what we have done in this platform, we have done the collaboration with the Forage, and we have brought for you around 300 plus virtual internships that student can do from their home, and the certifications will come from the top-notch companies like Morgan Stanley, Citibank, Infosys. So how do I access all this internship? Simple. Student just need to log in to the student dashboard of a counselor. Click on Start Now, where student can first access the information about these internships. Here you can find the option Enroll Now. Click on the Enroll Now and just mention your number so that we know you have availed the internship. I'll just mention my name. Okay. Quickly, I'll just mention my name over here. Okay. India, all these things. Confirm. Email ID need to be valid. Okay. Yes, confirm. Okay. Now, once I press confirm, it will take me to the internships page. Let it load. Okay. Now here, this is an internship page. Okay. It's still loading. Now here you can find internships are divided across multiple career paths. Now here you can find these are the career paths. If a student want to do internship for accounting, banking, client services, consulting, consulting, data, design, education, engineering, entrepreneurship, government, healthcare, human resource, insurance, law, and list is so simple. Say for example, I want to do an internship in banking and financial services. I'll click over here, banking and financial services. Then second list will be populated that will talk about the companies. So there's huge list is there. I can do a domestic Indian internships as well as global internships like Accenture India, Australia, BCG, multiple companies I can find over here, GE, JLL, HSBC. So all these are companies are available over here. So I can select like there the different topics and different internships are there. Say for example, I want to do internship in the Citibank. So this internship will be of 5.5 duration where some course content will be there, certain assignments will be there. And once I submit, I'll get the internship certificate from the city itself. So all these internships, so there are more than 300 plus internships are available. If they are the graduates, they also provide after the internships placement opportunities. If a student really has done good internship, right, then there are the chances to get placed in these companies also. Now, all these internships are absolutely free of cost. It's not chargeable. Whether student do one internship or student do all the 300 internships, all these internships are absolutely free of cost, coming from the top corporates across the globe and integrated with your student dashboard, right? So a student can do all these internships over here. So these are the things available in a student dashboard, right? Now, moving next. Upside, you can find there is one more report that's called the My Milestone report. Now, in this student dashboard, whatever different activities I have done, whether it's shortlisting of India colleges, international colleges, internships, or some programs I have taken, all these things will be documented in My Milestones report. So when I click on My Milestones report, then let's see how this report looks like. So this report will, it will give you the score, right? There's so many things in the dashboard. So I have consumed around 50% of the functionalities in this dashboard. It will talk about the career path, what I have shortlisted, the key skills about that, roles and responsibilities, right? Analysis, how I can, pursue this particular career path, what I have shortlisted. Scholarships that I have applied, all these scholarships information will be available as a part of the report. And then whatever the colleges I have shortlisted from the student dashboard, all these colleges will be documented over here. So say we have a student can shortlist India colleges, upside are the India colleges and below are the international colleges. All these colleges I have shortlisted and these colleges are available as a part of the report that counselor can download and give to the candidate, or candidate can download and access it, right? So all these things are available. So apart from the report, milestone report is available as a part of the dashboard. Now quickly moving to the next functionality. See, for the portfolio building, there are two important things, right? One is the internships that already I have shown you. These are the internships a student can do. Apart from that, we have given one option to the candidate to launch their portal or to launch their website, a student own website like a portfolio building, right? So a student can click here, get your website in 15 minutes. A student can click over here, get your website, where student can load his picture, can write about him, his roll number, his school name. Like if I'm a student of DPS school, I can write over here, right? Emergency number. If a student has done certain achievements, so student can load all his achievements over here, all his experiences, certificates, hobbies, all these things a student can do from here and click and publish the page. So once a student click and publish the page, you can see here in this way, a student page will be created and there are multiple designs are there. A student can create or launch his first website. So if anybody asks about his portfolio, right, a student just need to share his web page link where about his achievements. So this is empty page. Sorry, I have not filled information, but all his hobbies, certification, awards, recognitions, everything will be available as a part of his web page. Apart from that, if a student is studying in a school or college, there is an option available over here that's called the LOR, letter of recommendation. So from here itself, on his web page itself, a student can take the recommendations from the teachers, professors, and all these things that again will be captured as a part of his web page, and that will be authenticated because one verification link will go to that email ID, and post that it will be published to his web page. So a student can create a really very nice portfolio, can create a very good website over here. Multiple designs are available. The student can show the creativity, can load all his certificates, awards, whatever activities student has done in a single web page. And if anybody will ask, no need to send a different links. He can say, this is my personal website, all my certificates, achievement, testimonials, sorry, all are available as a part of my web page. So that student can create from the dashboard. Then comes a very interesting functionality. So that is called the inner circle post. Now, what is this inner circle post? I'm sure you may be knowing about the Facebook, right? Now, Facebook is a public, right? But here, what we have done for every career counselor, we have created their inner circle. So when I'm saying about the inner circle, that counselor and whatever student that counselor has counseled, all that students will be part of that inner circle, right? And it's very simple. It's like a closed group between counselor and their candidates, right? Or if you're operating this dashboard in this school environment, then you consider there's a school admin, and all that school specific students will be part of this inner circle. Now here what will happen is, in the counselor dashboard, if I go, we have introduced and launched a new functionality. Just let me quickly open some dashboard. Allow me 1 minute. Just 1 second. Okay, so here you must have noticed recently when you open your CRM, there's one extra functionality has come, that's called Career Lab Post. So once you click on the Career Lab Post from your CRM, right? So this is the interface that counselor will get it off. Now, say for example, you have counseled hundreds of students and you want to promote something. It can be the exam information, it can be some other information you want to circulate, like a newsletter or something among all your students. How you will do it off? You just need to open your CRM. Sorry. You need to open your CRM. You can write something. If you want to include some image, you can include the image or the link, right? And you can click on the post. So once you do the post, then what you will find is, across all the inner circle, right, that student will start seeing it, and student can like it, they can comment it, and they can repost it, right? Here we have restricted student for the posting. Student cannot post it. Whatever counselor has posted, students can react on this part. Either they can like it, they can make a comment on that part, or they can repost it. Okay, because of the security reason, we have not allowed student to post anything. Apart from that, there's one advanced functionality over here. If it's a general post, counselor can do it off. But see, you are providing the counseling and there is something that's more related to the medical. You can use a keyword like a medical. You can use some keyword like medical related. So what will happen here is, all those candidates for whom you have shortlisted the medical, this post will be shown on the top for them, because this is more relevant for them, because this is more related with the medical, right? So that will automatically come on the top. Okay. So in this way, counselors can engage with their hundreds of the students, and whatever counselings they have done, this will become a inner circle between counselor and multiple students, and counselor and students can interact together. We also have given the control to the counselor. If certain comments you want to delete, or certain comments you're not liking it, or some spamming has happened, you can delete from your interface. So once you post anything, you can see here the engagements, how many students have reacted, liked, or has posted the comment. So you can review that comment. Either you can reply to them or you can delete it. So that control also is given to the counselor. So in the dashboard, again coming back to the dashboard, a student can create the portfolio. There's an inner circle post is given to the counselors. If you are operating this dashboard under the school's environment, where you want to give this dashboard to the school, where school students can create the website, school students can create the inner circle, then one more functionality will be active, that will be the alumni network. Say if you're executing the counselings in a particular school, then automatically system will create the alumni network. Allow me 1 minute. Sorry. So system will automatically create the alumni network where students can search student based on the batch, based on the class, based on the section, or based on the name, right? And they can see their seniors profile, where are they working currently, and all this information they can access from here. Here they cannot call them, but yes, they can email to their senior, or they can email to the other candidate. Only email is allowed. They cannot see the phone number or the critical information, right? So again, alumni network, inner circle, website, all these things are integrated as a part of the dashboard. Upside, you can see my milestones. More and more engagement I am doing it off, it will start coming tick. So we have given some reward system, some point kind of a system. So if counseling is done, then student will get 15 points.